Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
He's a monster now.
Wow, this is cool.
My name's CJ.
The amplifier's doing good for wiring down. You just have to know your limit.
Yeah. It's about 6, 7-ish. Once I get about 7, it starts flipping. Once I see it start going to 12, and then I know it's going to start flipping.
Yeah.
80 degrees. It's 4 Defbons SA302s on an AAK 8K at quarter, rising about half. And there's 8 6.5s being ran off the AAK 180x4 right here. And it's 80 amp hours of Linglong right here underneath this.
Right here?
Yeah.
That's pretty efficient. I like the way you got it installed.
Thank you.
Nice. And this is that, you said quarter? Quarter ohm, okay. Have you done any kind of SPL test on it yet?
It does at 28 to 30 is a 152. And the peak, I don't know exactly. The peak's somewhere in that area. It says we're picking up 30, but...
Yes, sir. It just depends on the song. Very nice.
The reason we dropped it down to quarters because that one of them was only doing a 50, dude. Yeah. It's rising too bad.
And you're on team megahertz. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. This looks good. You've done a lot of cabin work, I can tell.
Yeah.
Try to stop the flex.
Especially from last show, I get like Heather with no roof, no nothing. Yeah. It's wood and then dender on top of the wood.
Yes, sir.
This door I think has 3 layers of dender, and that one has like 5 or 6. Yeah. Since that door is the meter door.
Question I got for you. What made you invert versus mounting regular?
Mounting regular, it raises the peak from about 30 where it's at now to about 35-ish, and we like the low, so when you invert them, we'll get back.
Yes, sir.
All of our lows back.
Awesome. Appreciate it, man.
And plus, it keeps them a little cooler at the same time.
Yeah. I'm going to go look under the hood real quick. Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around. We got a CJ system, insane amount of sub flex from this 8,000 watt RMS amplifier on these subs down to a quarter ohm. Definitely a dangerous system demo. Of course, he did roll into it, but you're going to see during that second song, it got really crazy. So 2-song bass demo in this. This was at the Savannah Seaport Showdown. Be sure to hit the like button if you haven't already and comment what you like about his system. I like the whole layout of the box, subs up, port up, and then he has his amplifier staging for his 4-channel amp and his big subwoofer monoblock amp on the side of the box with an extra little baffle to help stop the vibration as much as possible. And notice the way the port location is. That's usually a really good spot to put for all the pressure on the opposite side of the port, which goes towards the passenger. And if you're ever competing, put more pressure towards the meter on the glass. So notice the way the box layout is. Looks like he has it right at the window line. I don't know if that was on because of a purpose or any reason, but I do know some SPL orgs require right at window line or under. So notice the way the subwoofers are also inverted. Really smart idea to do for extra space. If you heard what he said earlier, that is a good idea to do. So anybody trying to get the most out of their system, try inverting. You never know, you may be louder and play lower. This was the specs of the subwoofer if you're curious. These are rated at 2,000 watts RMS each. So he's definitely giving them all the juice when he turns it up all the way during this full tilt bass demo. I would never recommend to run an amplifier at 0.25, but if you know what you're doing, it may work for competing. So subscribe if you haven't for daily car audio videos every day on my channel, Jacob Vile, and enjoy this demo. Nice. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear this. This looks good.
Round and around like a horse on the carousel. We go. Will I catch up to love? I could never tell.
really musical response, and you haven't had any kind of fall off until I mean, what's your frequency slope off? Do you know on it? That sounds really musical bandwidth.
38, 9-ish, and then it starts falling off.
Sounds really good, man.
I can give you an 18. It's not the best, but
if you want, I mean, don't blow anything.
Nah.
The amplifier's doing good for their wiring down. You just have to know your limit.
Yeah. It's about 6, 7-ish. Once I get about 7, it starts flipping. Once I see it start going to 12, and then I know it's going to start flipping.
Yep.
80 degrees.
As long as you know how to do cone control with the window up, it loads off of it. Sounds really good and it didn't fall off. Appreciate the demo, man.
You're welcome.
Nice to meet you. What was your name?
CJ.
CJ. Awesome, CJ. Very nice job.
Thank you.
You have a good day, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.